In this video we are going to create an expert advisor to place a sell stop on the chart. Don't confuse it with a sell limit, this is a different video, so let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that places a sell stop order when there are no open orders or positions. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we import the trade library with include Trade Trade.mqh. This library provides functions for trading operations. Next, we create an instance of CTrade named Trade. This instance will be used to execute trading functions. The OnTick function is called every time a new tick is received for the symbol. Inside this function, we first get the bid price using SymbolInfoDouble with the parameter score symbol to specify the current symbol and symbol bid to get the bid price. We then normalize the bid price to the number of digits specified by digits using NormalizeDouble. We check if there are no open orders or positions by using OrdersTotal and PositionsTotal. If both return 0, it means there are no open orders or positions. If the condition is met, we place a sell stop order using trade sell stop. The parameters for this function are as follows: 0.10, the lot size for the order; bid, 200 point; the entry price for the sell stop order, which is 200 points below the current bid price; symbol, the currency pair for the order; 0, the stop loss value, which is set to 0 in this case; bid 400 point; the take profit value, which is 400 points below the current bid price; order time GTC, the expiration type, which stands for good till cancelled; 0, the expiration time, which is set to 0 in this case; my comment, a comment for the order. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. We pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should now see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that places a sell stop order when there are no open orders or positions. We have coded this ourselves with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope that everything went as expected, and then you should see a sell stop appearing on your chart in the moment you start your expert advisor. For now I say thank you for watching. If you don't know what all the code did, you can check out our premium course on the website. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.